Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video I made this macrame pillow cover and I made this out of jute rope. So this cushion, I have a video on how I made it with table fabric napkins. So now I decided to make a cover out of jute rope. So all I did is I took a piece of rope and I measured the width, and I left like 1 inch to each side, and then the other pieces to make the macrame, I measured the height 5 times, and that's the length of the cords that I'm going to cut. I'm going to take that piece and I'm going to make a lark's head knot to the one piece of jute rope that measures the width, as you can see here. So now I think I left like 1 inch in between the cords that are the height of the cushion. And so now I'm going to take the first 2 cords and I'm going to do a square knot. Now I'm going to take the following 2 cords and I'm going to make a square knot, and we're going to repeat the same process all across. For the next row of square knots, I'm going to pull aside to the left side 2 cords, and then I'm going to take 4 cords and do a square knot. And you're going to see that they're going to be interlocking with the first 2 square knots that we did in the first row. Finish the second row of square knots. You're gonna see I have 2 strings to my left and 2 strings to my right. So now I'm gonna start with the third row of square knot. So I'm gonna take the 2 cords on the left that I left aside on the second row. Now I'm going to use those cords and do the third row. You're gonna see that on the first row I used all the cords, and on the second row I left 2 cords to the left and 2 cords to the right. Third row I used all the cords, and then on the fourth row I left 2 to the left, 2 cords to the left and 2 cords to the right. And that's the whole process that you're gonna do until you reach to the bottom or the height of the cushion. I don't know why, I think at some point I hit slow-mo on this video, so I'm gonna just leave it so you can see how I did the square knot. So now I'm finishing the height of the cushion, and you can see here it looks pretty much like a mesh. So now I'm going to take another piece of jute rope, and I measured the width of the cushion, and I left 2 inches to each side. And then here I'm holding it in place with a clip on each corner. And then I'm going to attach the jute rope where I did the square knots using half hitch knots. To maintain the form of the mesh, so you see there's a gap between each of the jute ropes. All I did is I cut pieces of rope, and I did lark's head knot to make more fringe to the size of the cushion, and then I continue to do half hitch knot with the jute rope that I did the mesh. So at the top part, or where I begin with the lark's head knot, I cut pieces of jute rope and I attach those pieces using lark's head knot to make the fringes. So the cords that I cut the width of the cushion, I'm going to make a knot on each side, so all those fringes will maintain in place and they won't slide through. So here I turn the cushion over because I think it looks better on this side. If you want, you can make it for both sides to cover the whole cushion, but I only decided to make it on one side. And here I took a piece of thread and a needle, and I'm gonna do some stitches all around the cushion to hold everything in place. And here is the cushion cover completed. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.